Welcome to the Tech Work. Today we will learn how to configure Google Workspace ID in Outlook. Let's go to the Google account and see. I just want to configure this ID in my Outlook. Okay. For that we have to do some setting in our Gmail account. First of all, click on this setting and see all settings. Then go to forwarding and pop IMAP. Okay. For that, if you want to configure this email ID in single device, then you have to select all pop mail setting, enable pop for all mail. Else, if you want to configure this mail ID to other more than one system, then you have to select enable IMAP for the same. As I have selected enable pop for all IMAP, then I have to go to save changes. Okay, then we have to go to the account section. In the account section, we have to go to the security. After security, we have to little scroll down. Make sure the two-step verification is off. And little scroll down. And you have to on this less secure app. Because as we all know, the Outlook is a third-party app. It does not allow, Google does not allow access this LSV on this less secure app. Okay. Now we have to go to the Outlook. Here we will configure the same mail ID. Go to the file, add account, manual setup or additional server types. Here we have to click and then go to next, then select pop or IMAP for the same, and next go next. And here you have to put uh, your name, contact, email address, contact at the techbark.com. As I want to configure in pop setting. Else you can configure also in IMAP setting over here. For incoming mail server, you have to put the incoming mail server details. Like in my case, pop.gmail.com, and outgoing mail server smtp.gmail.com. Okay, here is the username and password. Password I have to put. Then go to the more setting and outgoing server. Make sure to click here and go to advanced. You have to fill the server details over here. As I have configured in the pop setting, then I have to put the 995. Then click here. Then for the outgoing mail server, 465 is the outgoing mail server. We have to select SSL and then click OK. Now we have to test. Click over here. As we have successfully configured the mail ID. Now again click on next. Yes, great, we have done. Now click on finish. Here you will get the inbox and click on send and receive. here I have started getting the mails in my Outlook. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and share if you like this video.